ET here, coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. Starting off with our customer sentiment and our whale targets. Customers slid a little bit further away from that short the pop mode on Friday, maybe some profit taking from the drop. Whale target range is opened up. 650 is still the top, but where we had like 640, 645, 635 before, we now see 625 as the lower target. So a little bit of a wider range there. Jumping into our dark pools. Once again, massive level at 644.60, and then just some other levels there. This is still also a very large level as well at 637.70, but very few levels, very big levels as we've seen as it's gone along. So mark them on your charts or use the dark pool bot ping that I do. So we closed at around, let's see here on Friday. Let me just double check to make sure I remember. 645, that's right. So futes are just slightly red right now. Nothing too big to worry about it at the moment, so we'll take an eye here. 645 is still an important point of price contention. 648 as well on the ag. There's just kind of a bit of a tight range right there. Over 648, thin and wide open, and under 645, thin and wide open. Biggest pull on the board at the moment is 647. Let's go ahead and jump into tomorrow, 9-2, and see what that brings us, see if that gives us a little bit more clarity. So plain and simple, tomorrow is under 648 and 647, and we've got room down to 641 and 635. Pretty wide open there. Bunch of positive levels right here, but it's still very, very, very thin. If we can hang on to that 641 spot right there, we could range in between this area here. And if somehow we break 648, the biggest pull on the board is currently 655. So kind of a thin, wide range on both the ag and the daily tomorrow. So maybe for Tuesday, we see a little bit of potential volatility or perhaps just some solid moves one direction. As always, pay attention to net flow and conversions. See how all that is going to make sure that everything is heading one direction. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.